Okay, today topic is navigation bars. Okay, so navigation bars. So we can take real-time example for navigation bars. Is we can take the example of Cybersys, our website. So for any application, we need navigation bars compulsory. Okay, to redirect from one page to another page within the application, navigations are very important. So for example, here in Cybersys website, you can find out here menus, home, company, solution, services, and products, and contact us. So this is the horizontal menu. Okay, we have two types of menus, that is horizontal menu and vertical menu. So this is horizontal menu. So in this company, this is the main menu, and these are all sub menus. Okay, when you click on the particular link, it will redirect to the appropriate page, and here you can find out the quick links here. So these links are called vertical menus. Okay, this style vertical menu and this style is horizontal menu. Okay, you can find out two types of menus here, vertical menu and horizontal menus. So for any application, if you want to implement any application, so the navigation bars are very important. You can take any application like Gmail or GoToMeeting or any application. So to redirect one web page to another web page, navigations are very important. So I will explain this navigation bars. Okay, it is easy to implement navigations in the website. To implement navigation bars, we need unordered list or order list and anchor tag. So navigations, not HTML form. So now I want to explain horizontal menu. Okay, this example. First of all, take order list. In order list, we have li tags, list of items. So we can use anchor tag. So these anchor tags are used to redirect from one page to another page. Okay, home link. This is home link. First of all, and second link. Um, so we can take the courses website. Okay, courses and gallery and contact us. Okay, so these are the menus in our application. Okay, assume that. So 4 menus. In this courses menu, we can take sub menus. For sub menus, take one div tag for sub menus. LA tag and anchor tag. Next div tag. In this div tag, we can take anchor tag for sublinks. Sublinks are Java, href empty tag, and .NET. Okay, and we can take PHP. So 3 courses here. So these are the submenus in courses main menu. So this is the structure for menus in our application. So we have these 4 menus, and these are 3 submenus in courses main menu. So use style tag to include CSS properties in HTML form. First classes is for another list style type none. Next margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, and next li tag. For li tag, float left and background color. For li tags, background color, we can take the color this. Next in li tag we have anchor tag and comma class drop btn. So drop btn is for drop down list, drop down menu for submenus. So we can apply this class to this anchor tag. Then drop btn for this class. And properties are display, inline block. Next text color is white color and text element center. Next padding, from top 14 pixels and right 16 pixels. Next text decoration, none. First run this example, you will get some idea. Okay, this is the menu, home, courses and gallery and contact us. So and these are our submenus. These submenus will display when our mouse pointer enter into the particular courses menu. Okay, we need to implement that CSS styles for these courses. Next li tag and anchor tag. For this anchor tag, hover style. Okay, hover style for to display the submenus when mouse pointer enter to the courses menu. Next we can create one more class here, drop down. So this class for li tag. And for this also hover class. Next one more, drop btn also hover class. background color, red color. So refresh this example. You can see here when our mouse pointer enter into the particular menu, the background color is changing. Okay, highlight the menu. This class for highlighting the text color, background color, menu background color. Next, li and drop down. Display tag, display property, inline block. Next, we can create one more class here. Drop down content. So this class for div tag inside li tag for submenus. So this is the drop down content. Okay, when our mouse enter into the classes menu, this class will appear. Okay, this menu will appear. Display none and position absolute and background color. So we can use this color for background. Next, minimum width 180 pixels. So now refresh this example. Okay, now this menu are not displaying. Okay, so we need to display the submenus when our mouse pointer enter into the courses menu. So we have to write the CSS properties. Drop down content. In drop down content we have anchor tags. In this anchor tag, for this anchor tag, text color black. Next, padding 12 pixels and 16 pixels. Next, text decoration none and display block. Display block and text align left. Next class is this is hover class. Drop down hover. For this drop down class, okay, this class hover style is and drop down content. Display block. Okay, now you can see the result here. You can see when our mouse pointer enter into the courses menu, the submenus are displaying and highlighting the menus. Okay, and gallery and contact us. So same like this we can implement the menus. Okay, this is the example menu, horizontal menu, and you can implement a vertical menu like this. For this we need to write some more some logic to implement the vertical menus. Okay, these styles for horizontal menu. So now we can implement one sample form. Create an HTML form, index. So I want to explain the static web page. No. So like this we can implement on static page. First of all, links and logo and menus and banner image and the content and footer copyrights. So I will explain the just the syntax of the web page. So how we can implement the web pages. So first of all, take one div tag and write some class. Otherwise, just add one style sheet. Sample website CSS. Okay, in this CSS file, you can write styles. For body, margin 0 and padding also 0. Use link tag to link up these two files. Sample website CSS and rel tag attribute and style sheet. So now we can create one class for div tag content. So div width is 960 pixels and height is auto height and margin 0 and auto and background color we can take gray color. Okay, gray color. So we can apply this class to this div tag. Okay, now run this example. Okay, so div tag with some text. Okay, now we have to include the links like this: carriers, client, and locations. Take one div tag, and here you can take another list for the links. LA tag, in this LA tag, take one anchor tag. The links are carriers, clients, and locations. Clients and locations. and sample path. href is sample path because we don't have these pages, carriage page and clients page and locations page. That's why we are giving empty path. Okay, this is links div tag. So we have to display these links like this. Okay, we have to write the class for this div tag also. Class uh, header links class. First of all, list style type none and display inline block. Next float left. Okay, now run this example. Okay, these links are displaying like this. Header links class. So we have to add this class to this div tag. For align tag, list style type none, inline block and float left. So we need to add one more class here. Div height. Height is 50 pixels. And margin 0 and auto. Adding so links. Okay, now height 0 pixel and 0 pixel, 0 pixel, top, top 12 pixel, and right, right, 20 pixel, and left minus 20 pixel, from top 40 pixel. So copy this one and paste here for the links. Okay, for real tag margin 0, dot header links, real tag margin 0. Okay, this links is displaying like this, and text decoration none. Next, border right, border right 1 pixel, solid and black color. Okay, lines are displaying. Okay, separated lines. Adding right to 10 pixel and left also 10 pixel. This is not correct here. Okay, 38 pixel. Next border, 1 pixel. Border right, border right, 1 pixel. And solid, 0 0. Okay, padding 20 pixel. And for anchor tag, dot header link li. In li tag we have anchor tag. For this anchor tag, these two properties. Okay, and we have to remove this border and use this same class and last child and border right, none. Okay, for last child border will be removed. Okay, last one removed. So now links are okay. Text decoration also none. This fur, and this property is in here. Okay, and underlines also removed. Then after that logo. So take another div tag and class logo. So we can display one image as a logo, image and source. We can display penguins.jpg as a logo and height 100 pixels and width 200 pixels and alt logo. Okay, we have to implement class logo class here. Div height 100 pixels and background color white color. Okay, now refresh this example. You can see here. So this image is displaying as a logo. Okay, and after that we can implement menus. So already we implemented navigations, so we can add this menu in our example. So I add one div tag class menus. In this menu class we can include this menu. So we have to implement this menu class dot menus class div height just 40 pixels. Okay, so refresh this example. So first of all we can set this height, div height. Okay, 30 pixel div height, and after that we have to include this CSS classes for menu. Header menu links. Okay, these classes for menu. Class my menu. Okay, this class you can apply here. Ul dot my menu. Ul tag my menu. Okay, now run this example. Div height is 46 pixels. And for submenus el my menu li tag and anchor tag and drop btn. And drop down content display none, position absolute. These submenus are displaying as inline block. Okay, this one is okay. Now mm, EL class head link. EL class head link. Style a tag. Background red color. This background color is coming. LIA hover. display list item. Next to text align left. Okay, so like this we can set we have to set the menus, and after that content, body content. So we can take one div tag. So this is menu, and after menu, so we can take one div tag, and for banner class equal to banner image. So we can download one image. We can take this image as a banner. Okay, home page. So copy this image name and paste here. Image source, image name, and image height 200 pixels, and no need to specify. Okay, first of all, alt banner. So now run this example. So we have to set the height and width for this image. Okay, banner height 200 pixels. Get div height 250 pixels. Banner height. We can set image height also same 250. Write one class. Class name is banner image. Banner image. Height 250 pixels, and banner image and image height also 250. Okay, and we have to set the width also. Width 960 pixels. Okay, 960 is total content width. Okay, so this content width for image width also. Okay, now banner also set for our application. And next, content. So take one more div tag. Body content. So class is body content. So now I want to display some paragraph content in the body. So I can use this content and display as a paragraph. Okay, this is the content, body content for our application. In this body content, we can you can set height, width, and headers, and colors, and background image for content, or background color for the content. So anything you can set here. And after that, finally, footer. Take one more div tag and class equal to footer. In footer, we can set copyrights. So like this, you can display copyrights. Footer height and width we have to set. Dot footer class, div height 10 pixel, and text align center. Div height is 32 pixel. Okay, 100 pixels. Okay, so 40 pixel, and background color. Okay, we can use this background color. And after that, text margin margin uh, right 0 pixel, and the bottom 0 pixel, left also 0 pixel. Okay, 35 pixel. Okay, text is displaying in the middle of the footer. Okay, you can see. So this is our static web page. Okay, header links and logo and application menus and banner image and content and footer. Okay, and after that we have to give the links, and we have to implement all these forms and give the links. Okay, Java, .NET and PHP links, and clients and locations links.